Okay guys, so now I will show you how to combine the tkinter with the math formula. I will use circle formula. So first we can write from tkinter import and then root equal to t. You can change the word root to another word, root mainly. If you change, all this root must be changed too. Okay, now we want to import the image to the tkinter. So image equal to photo image, then file. Okay, now we can input the path. I want to use this image, so I must copy the path in here, and then I can write the image name inside here. But first we pass the path. Wait, I will do until. Okay, now we can write the image name like circle, format PNG. In here we can't use the JPG format because tkinter doesn't recognize. And then we create the label root image, write this image, and then we set the position of the image place like x equal to horizontal like 500 and epsilon like 500 and then 300. Now we check, we run this to see if we have success to import the image. Okay, we can move to the right more like 9, and then we can create the entry like entry 1 call entry root. Then we set the font times new Roman. Now the size pixel like 30. Then entry 1 we set the place or the position x equal to 400 and then epsilon 300. Now we set the place x equal to 400 and then epsilon. Okay, now we can set a new label in here to write the text. Input the value. Now we can copy this font faster. Label, we set the place on top of the entry like 6 equal to 500, then epsilon 200. Now we can run again and see what happened. Okay, entry. Okay, this one I have forgot. Okay, we run again. No way, no way. I have made a mistake. I must delete this. I run again. Right. Okay, I run again. We have the entry and also the imager. Okay, and then I want to change the background. So root them be want to like gray. Okay, like gray, and then now we can see one more. Okay, now I want to set a new label. Again, I'll copy this. I will only change the place and also the name, like R. R equal to, and then we change the place. This be 2. Then X must be 2 also. Okay, this is referred to the this one. Now I will change the background be equal to, and then now we set new button. Root, and then set the text like find out, and then we set. Okay, we copy this form, we paste here, then we set the position to, then use one. I think it must 4, and then we can run again. Okay, now we see the result. Can we must make it to the right a little. Must be 5. I think 5. Okay, so okay, I think this is best, and we can, this is radius, R is radius. Now we can write another label. We copy here and then we paste. Okay, we set the name label 1. Level 1. No, we change to the 2, level 2. want to find the area, and also we must change the position, like it is must be 5 4. Okay, now we can check. Yes, and then also we must create another name like circumstance, and then um, then diameter. Okay, now we change the epsilon, the 6, 7. Then we make the formula, but I think we must move the position of the bottom in the bottom. Then we want to create the formula. We create function like function find, and then we create the label again, but this label is for define the formula. So the no the label, I need the label. So in here we don't need the text, we only need the font. So we copy again all of that. Then we paste, and then we paste again, and then we change it to the one, oh, sorry, and then 1, well, and then 2, then 2, then 3, then 3. Now we can create the configuration of the label 1, config, and then text equal to, and then place str, and then we can do the same in here, but change the number, and also in here, but change the number. Now we must use the var. We must create the var at the top. Var equal to global var. Now we use the var and input in the entry. We write text variable, and then pass var. Okay, var. Okay, I'm gonna delete this var, and then now you can go to you set the formula in here. Okay, so for the first, it is for the area. We say the formula. The area formula was P R and then exponent 2. So P number is 3.14. Then var get then now we can do the same with the other, but only okay. In here the other formula is for the circumference is 2pr. So we can write 2 multiple to p. P value was 3.14 and then multiple to the number of r. We can set target. Okay, and then we can set the formula of the diameter. So diameter formula was 2 multiple r value. So varget. Okay, with this one we can move all of the top this place. Also this level 2 only the top part in here, and also for the level 3. The top here. Now we can check it out how it looks like. Okay, we're waiting for the response. Now we can check it out. Okay, but we don't have the diameter because we have not enough space, so we can move to the top. We can move all. Okay, the place also we can change the place. Like for this one it must be 8, and then this one must be 9, but we can change also the ladder. In here we must change this. Okay, it must 2 and then 2 and then 2. We must be change the value of epsilon to give the space. 1 and then 1 and then okay, it must 2, then it must 2, and then it must 1, and then it must 2, and then it must 4, and then 4, and then 6, and then 6, and then 7, and then 8. Okay, so this is we must change also the area. Okay, 6. It must be 4, and then 5, and then 6. It also must be 4, 5 6, then 4 5, and then 6. Check it out again. Okay, like this. But the button, we also must move the button to the top. Like this must be 3, I think. Okay, so to find the value, if this r is equal to 2 meter, we can't find the result because we don't have the command. So in the bottom part, we must write command. So command, if we click the button, what we want to happen? We want to happen these things that we have organized in the function. So write the find. If you click the command, it will be go to the find function. So this thing will happen. So we can check. We run again. And when I give the number like 2, the radius 2, find out, okay, the area is like that, but we must move the position. We must move the position x. So to this 5 and then to 5 to the 5. We run again. If we give the number 2, the result is the area of the circle is 12.56 and the circumference and the diameter was 4. And when we give 3, the value is like that, but we can edit the meter like this centimeter or meter. So if the r was the centimeter like 3 centimeter, it means the area was 28.26 centimeter quadrate, and for the circumference was 18.85 centimeter and the diameter was 6 centimeter. But if the radius referred to the meter, it means that the area was meter quadrate and then circumference was 18.84 meter and diameter was 6 meter. So we can edit, if you want, we can edit the meter. We create a new label for the final, but I will move the r to the 3. Okay, now we go on create label for label, like label A, and then also label B, also label C, and then label D. Create the label and we copy this. Now we passed in here. Now you see you must edit the text like meter with the symbol and The other must be like this. So we only need to copy and then paste here, paste here. We need 4. Okay, now we set the place like label a place x and y. Now we set the place. We can look at this entry. Okay, the entry the now we can set the place here and then we only change the x to 7 I think, but we must change this to the entry to the 300 to give this space. Now we can see this one. Copy this, then we paste, create new, label B, place. We only need to change this text to 5. All is the same. We do the same thing, but we change the epsilon to the 5 and then C, and for the label D we change the number to 5 also. No, 6. Now we can check it out how the form. Wait a minute. The M was represent the matter. Okay, only one mistake. This M must be moved to the horizontal right. So it must be well, check it out. X must move to the 8 and then okay, we see again. Well, but we don't have the area. We must move, this must be 3 and then 4 and then 5. We see again the result. Okay, in this one we must, yes, we have forget to rename this to D. Must change to the 6, then 6, and then 6. You can check, we will check it out again. Okay, only move. Okay, alright. Now we have changed all the value. This is how it look like. So we can enter the number like if it is 2 meter, you can find this. Okay, you can change it. And also for the final one, for the last one, we can change also the entry to the 3, only 3 or 2. This is the final. It is all that we need to do. So if the error was 2, let's find out what happened. Okay, we need to change something. Okay, the entry must go to the 4. We will see if it is on 3. Okay, this is the last one. You can see the value if the radius was 2 meter, and then the area must be meter quadrate. Okay, we can change the area. For the area must be like this. Okay, we have done all. If the radius was 2 meter, and then we get this number, and if 3 meter, we get this number. So we have set the formula. We have get this number. So it is all that we need. We have do so long. So don't forget to. Okay, so this is not the circumference. This is circumference. So this is my mistake. Now we can run for the last time. Okay, we wait for the response. Okay, circumference. Please subscribe this channel.